Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up your ceiling fan and unbox it. You're going to want to open it up and get the trash they send you out of it. All this nonsense. You're going to want to get the blades out first, just aside for now. This measurement thing is pretty useful, helps it hang from your ceiling. And then there's the actual fan part with its light. Not even a light, it just has a thing there. And instruction manual, we don't really need that. A bunch of foam and nonsense in the box no one cares about. What you actually care about is the fan. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your brass thing, and we're all being honest, we don't even need this, so break that off, we don't need it. And we don't even need this bladed part. Get rid of this. Missing. Snap this part off. You don't need that at all. Then you're going to want to take these fan blades and just politely install them. You know, you don't really need fan blades on a fan. Who needs those anyway? You don't need these. And next up, you're going to want to take your fan and just hit it with your hammer a bunch of times so it's not working. It's not cooling you off. Stupid piece of wood. Next thing you're going to want to do is get it on the ground. Once your fan is on the ground, you can just do some tune-up with it. The little bastard just won't work. You got to make it work. Keeps flying around. It's a common complaint with these fans, they just keep flying. You can hit your tripod and whatnot. There you go. You successfully set up your ceiling fan.